Shalom and welcome to Biblical Hebrew Made Easy. This is Miriam. Today I am going to review a prayer that I've done in the past, and I'm going to do it a little bit differently. And I'm going to give you a little bit of history behind this prayer. Modeh is a prayer that's recited as soon as Jewish people wake up. Our ancestors used to regard a good night's sleep as a prototype of death. And getting up in the morning is a prototype of the soul's resurrection. So by reciting this prayer, the Jewish people express their gratitude to God for restoring their souls back to them. And in this prayer, we do not use God's title, Adonai Eloheinu, because we have not yet washed our hands or brushed our teeth. So let's begin. For those of you who just started watching the videos on my channel, I will explain how Hebrew is read. And Hebrew is read from right to left, as opposed to our way of reading in America, left to right. So I have the transliteration here for you, which is from left to right, and the translation from left to right. And I will also go over each individual word and the pronunciation. Let's start. Modeh ani lefanecha melech chai vekayam. Modeh ani lefanecha melech chai vekayam. I thank you, living and eternal King. Tehillah. Again, as I normally try to remember to explain these two Hebrew alphabets that look very similar. To those who do not know how to read Hebrew, please go to my first lessons on the alphabet. So you can see this has a space. This one is pronounced ha, like hello. This one is completely closed. That one is pronounced ch. And these are the vowels. And the vowels give the letters its sound. Okay. She, he, zarta, bi, nishmati, behemla. Rabba emunatecha. Another thing I want to point out to those of you that are new is that there are two of these same letters. One of them uses a dot, and one of them does not use the dot. The one with the dot is the B sound. The one without the dot is the V sound. Okay, so here it says, that you have graciously returned my soul to me. Great is your faithfulness. Now, Hebrew has, I say, many meanings to one word sometimes. So I'm going to give you a translation, maybe a little bit different, but it means the same. Okay. This word here, Modeh, means to give thanks, and it's in the male form. Ani means I. Lefanecha means to you. Melech means king. Chai means living, and ve means and. Kayam means enduring, and she means for that. He zarta means you returned. Bi means in or to me. Nishmati means my soul. Be means in. Chemla means compassion. Rabba means great is. Emunatecha means your faithfulness. So I'm going to read this. Here it says, I thank you. But the other way of saying it is, I give thanks to you. Living and eternal King. Another way is like I had just translated. Living and enduring sovereign, sovereign King. Here it says that you have graciously returned my soul to me, but the other way of saying it is, for returning my soul to me in compassion. And this one stays the same. Great is your faithfulness. Rabba emunatecha. Okay. So, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please do not forget to subscribe. Just hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss any future lessons. And in Hebrew, we say lehitraot, meaning goodbye or see you later. So I say lehitraot and see you in the next lesson.